What if disappearing isn't weakness, but a sign someone's priorities changed? You ever know someone who just stopped replying, stopped posting, stopped showing up? No fight. No announcement. They just went quiet. That's not always sadness or anger. Sometimes it's something else entirely. Here are 5 real reasons some people quietly disappear. 1. They get picky with their energy. As people grow, they realize attention runs out fast. Every reply, every hangout, every notification costs something. So instead of being available to everyone, they save that energy for what actually matters. 2. They outgrow people who stopped helping them grow. Not every friendship stays good forever. Some turn repetitive, draining, even negative. People naturally drift toward what fits who they're becoming, and drift away from what doesn't. Quietly, not with a fight. 3. They think more than they explain. Big life changes happen inside first. They don't announce every decision. They don't explain every absence. By the time you notice something changed, they've already been sitting with it for a while. 4. They stop chasing approval. A lot of socializing is just wanting to be accepted. But once someone gets sure of their own direction, that need fades. They show up less, not because they hate people, but because they stop needing people to confirm they're okay. 5. They get okay with being misunderstood. Most people spend years explaining themselves. Eventually, some just stop. They let their actions speak. If people misread that, fine. That's easier to live with than abandoning what actually matters to them. Going quiet doesn't automatically mean someone's smart, and being smart doesn't mean you go quiet. But when people get clear on what matters, they naturally get less available for what doesn't. Sometimes the quietest people aren't hiding from everyone else, they're just walking toward a different life. So next time someone goes quiet, are they running from something, or finally running toward something?